Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I've got a box that I have not had on the channel for a very long time. I've gotten it before, and now that I think about it, when I've gotten it before, I don't remember if I have filmed it. Not sure. But regardless, this is the Breo, I believe. 'Cause I don't think it's Breo. Maybe it's Breo, but it's Breo Box, and it's quarterly subscription. You get the info for you. So it's normally $169 a quarter. However, I have been watching this box. This is the winter box, and I've been watching it for some time because there's an item in here that I really wanted. So I believe it was around Valentine's Day, they offered a special. So I ended up getting this box instead of $169, I got it for $135.20. And I think I might even have gotten an extra gift in here. Maybe, not sure. The discount could have been the gift. But you do also have to pay tax. So this is a box that they kind of have like techie stuff in it, and other things. You'll see when I open it here. But they always have this very interesting box, and you'll see what I mean here too. But I'm gonna cut it open here, and this is kind of like, yeah. And then your items come in a bag, and there's the box. So it's a really cool box because it's like a lid, it closes. And this is like doubled. So it's one of those boxes to break it down. It's not fun. But if you're wanting the box for storage, it's a great box for that. Okay. So we got our bag. So it always comes in one of these bags, which is a very nice item to have to take on vacation and put dirty laundry in. So that's very nice. All right, so the first thing I want to pull out is the item that I wanted this box for. But it is a connected Rubik's Cube. So it connects to an app, I believe. Is that what it is? So it's USB charging. Huh. Okay, so this is what it says. It says Connected Pro, USB charging, online competition, magnetic cube, lightweight. So it does say power up your cube, download and launch the app, connect and learn how to compete. I wonder if they want you to, like, instead of just solving the cube for solid face color each side, I wonder if they also want you to do like different like color patterns or something. Heck, I just was interested to just, solve it. But it says, do you have what it takes to connect and solve the world's favorite puzzle? Are you still searching for the solution? Want to level up your solve? Is that right? Want to level up your solve? I guess so. Or even challenge your friends. So the connected cube lets you track your every twist and turn. Huh. Okay. So it says there's an academy. Learn your first cubing moves. Improve. Learn. What do I keep? Oh, something keeps rattling. But it says improve. So learn, level up, and measure. And it says, are you a beginner? Which that would be me. Master the basics. And then it says play. So there's mini games, missions, and third-party games. And then you can also compete. So this is why I wanted a box, just for that. But there are other good things in here too, that I'll be able to use. So let me just pull out, what's the next item? So, okay. So this is by Swanwick. It is a motion sensor anti-blue LD light. I don't remember that being in here. So it's a, motion light. It says the anti-blue LED nightlight is a set and forget automatic light that supports sleep by reducing exposure to blue wavelengths in the evenings. I wonder if those people that need to like sleep with a night light or having a light on, I'm making the assumption this is probably then a better option for you. So it, yeah, minimizes blue light exposure, adjustable dimmer switch, energy savings. All right, I like that. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Now, you do, if you go on, you do see what the items are in this box if you want to buy one of these boxes, but I just don't remember that. Okay, next item. I wanted this too. So when I saw this, then I saw this, I'm like, yeah, I want this too. So this is by, let's see here, is it Hotu Wand? It's a cordless spin scrubber, 12-piece ultimate kit. Cleaning master for every nook and cranny. So it comes with multiple size of the heads. It is USB charging, it looks like. Yes, USB-C charging. It has a 210-minute runtime rechargeable battery. Who on earth is cleaning for 3 hours straight with one of these? I mean, I guess if you got a really dirty place. And then it says dive into new features, 360 rotating. So the head, 5 times cleaning power, and the, see here, full body waterproof. Keep faucets clean, or no, sorry, it says keep faucet spotless. Renew kitchen stove. Wheels deeper cleaning. Yeah, this is going to be just an indoor. So yeah, I wanted to use that. So yeah. All right. We have got other things in here. Okay, now that I am, maybe this was my extra thing. Okay, we'll wait here a second. Let's do this next one first. So this is also by Hotu. It's a self-locking tape measure. Okay. You know, this is one of those items that, like, you don't need it until you need it. I mean, I've got on my iPhone, I've got one of those measure things, but sometimes it's just nice to have a tape measure. Okay. Now next here, I'm wondering if this was like my extra item. It's the only thing I can think of because I've got 2. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I got one thrown in as the special, but it's Pebble Pro speaker. They're waterproof, deep bass, magnetic, clip-on carabiner. So here, speakerphone. It's got a micro SD card. Why do you need a micro? To play music, maybe you download music on that and put it on here. And Bluetooth. So I have got 2 of those. So I'm definitely not keeping both. But here's something that's interesting. This one's got the seal on it. This one does not have the seal on it. Not that it matters. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay, there we go. It's a pretty good size, isn't it? For like being a Bluetooth speaker. Okay. And yes, got this and the Bluetooth. So, I don't think I'm going to be keeping either one of these, to be honest with you, just because I got Greg a Bluetooth speaker for Christmas, and we've had other Bluetooth speakers and we just never use them. It's always one of those things like, oh yeah, this will be good for vacation, and then we never take it and we never use them. So both of these I will be getting rid of, and that's okay because I'm so excited for these things. So let's see here. Winter, yeah, So there it is, the card. And it says light box, what's inside? So I must have gotten the, yes, because there is 2 sizes, isn't there? So the one I got was the light box that has less items in it. The other one, is it like $2.50, I think, maybe for the other one? But it says Winter 2025 light box, what's inside? So it only says 3 things. So, wonder, did I get more free then as the Valentine? I'm not sure. But the box is clever tech, gadgets, and lifestyle upgrades curated to elevate your everyday routine. So we've got the cordless spin scrubber that has a value of $60. Then we have the Spee Aqua Pebble Pro Bluetooth speaker, $40. And I actually got 2 of them. Okay. Then we got the blue light, and it was $35. And there's nothing else back here. That's odd. Isn't that odd? So I'm not really quite sure what, like, was supposed to be in here. I mean, I know this was supposed to be in here because I saw it, but I wonder if it was a throw in. Oh, gosh, guys, I don't remember now. I just don't remember. But let's talk about value. So if I hadn't gotten the discount, this would have been $169. So we really don't know 100% what's supposed to be in it. I am making the assumption that this was supposed to be my freebie. Again, just making the assumptions. And this has got to be what's in the box. This is what I'm assuming, because this was $60, this was $40, and this was $35. That's kind of expensive, isn't it? So right there's $135, and we haven't even got like the total value of the box yet. So that's why I'm thinking that these 2 things probably do come in there as a standard. And then again, I'm assuming this was the throw-in for the Valentine Day bonus. So with me paying $139 plus tax, right here we've got $175, just these things here in retail value. So you're definitely getting your money's, or I definitely got my money's worth here. Also, I think if I had paid full price and this is everything in here, I think I would have gotten my value as well. So this is definitely one of those boxes. If you're into techie gadgets, you're going to get your money's worth and you're going to get your value. If there's something in it you don't like, well, let me tell you, these are the types of items that it's not going to be hard to find somebody that's going to like them to take them off your hands. Or these are the perfect gift items, because like I said, this is not something that I would go out on my own and purchase, but I'm definitely going to use this thing. This too, I would not purchase this thing, but I'm going to love having it in my house. Yeah, so happy with my box, and I'm going to have to hide this from Greg because I have a feeling we're going to be fighting over it. Very interesting. So as always, you guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed another unboxing, and we will catch up with each other later. All right, bye guys.